Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen T-roc RL 1.5 TSI D7F 150HP 5-door auto in sleek grey. This estate Jeep is loaded with top-of-the-line features including luxurious interior trim, advanced safety systems, and convenient technology like Bluetooth and USB outlets. Keep comfortable with air conditioning, cruise control, and ambient lighting. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance technology, you can drive with peace of mind. The chrome package and roof rails give this vehicle a stylish edge. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in luxury and style today.